There's only one company that can save us from this massive GPU drought we're in, and of all people, it's Intel. Because the very first discrete graphics card ever, the Intel Arc Alchemist, is supposed to be launching very soon, and it should mean that more gamers will finally get their hands on GPUs at MSRP. However, that may not actually be the case, because while we're also hyped for this Intel graphics card, the recent CES presentation made me more worried about it than anything. Now during the presentation, quite a few alarm bells started ringing in my head, but probably the biggest and loudest ones came from the fact that we didn't really see much of this Alchemist card, even though it's apparently already being shipped out to OEMs. There was just something rather sus about the whole thing, because we haven't seen the card at all during the entire presentation. We don't even know what it looks like, and the thing that worries me even more is the fact that we didn't even see any performance numbers or any comparisons between other graphics cards. Like, how on earth can you announce a brand new graphics card and have this entire presentation about it without actually talking about performance? Well, Intel somehow did it. And seeing how tons of articles have been coming out about how this card won't perform that well, it's making me worry that it just won't be a competitive product, or at least a high-end product. Now, just because it isn't high-end doesn't make it bad, and a good budget graphics card that actually sells for MSRP will still be great for the current market. That is, of course, as long as it can compete against Nvidia's and AMD's offerings. But the fact we didn't see anything, no price, no performance, no nothing at this entire Intel Arc announcement thing is just, well, very suspicious. Now, that doesn't mean we didn't get any details about this GPU. We did get a few interesting things. For example, Intel's Deep Link technology, which will allow a discrete Intel GPU to work with an integrated GPU. In a demo for it, they showed DaVinci Resolve be rendered much faster by using both the GPUs at the same time. Now again, they didn't really show how it compares to other GPUs in the market, but hey, gotta stay optimistic in these very bleak times. Now, none of this should mean that this card will fail, and I think that as long as Intel has enough of these and they sell at MSRP, it will be quite a success. And right now, it looks like availability shouldn't be an issue. Seeing how this GPU is being manufactured on TSMC's 6nm process, it's something that's not utilized by too many other card makers out there, so it should hopefully mean that Intel have access to a lot of TSMC's 6nm capacity. And as long as the price is decent, then this should be a pretty successful launch for Intel, as long as the performance, which Intel has been very quiet about, isn't a big disappointment. But let me know what you think of Intel Arc and this Alchemist GPU down in the comments below. I'm really curious to see what you guys think. And hey, if you like this video and you want to support my channel so I can make even better videos in the future, then make sure to check out our Patreon down in the video description below. And even just a single $1 a month truly goes a long way. And I'd love to thank my existing patrons, Gavin Burns, Ryan OKB, Max Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lansby, and Comic Gauge Clothing. Thank you guys so much, support truly goes a long way. Down there you're also going to find our Amazon Associates links, our Discord server if you can talk to me over at Discord or whatever else really, plus our social media links as well. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in the video I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.